what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of every time I post my videos. So as you can see, I've already started the video and I'm basically doing my eyebrows. I'm doing it a little different than my first natural makeup tutorial because this one is supposed to give you a little bit more of a dramatic look. So I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetic Dip Brow in the color Ebony. After I've already outlined my brows with my NYX dark brown, and I'm just filling those in so that way I get a nice crisp line when I go to outline my eyebrows with my concealer. So now basically what I'm going to do is just take my spoolie and I'm going to blend all of that in. I'm blending it in an upward outward motion just to kind of get it to be seamless, doing that to both brows. And yeah, it's basically going to look like this. Snatched, okay? And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start working on my shadow. So I wanted to create like a really fun green spring blue kind of, just vibe with my eyeshadows. I typically don't work with a bunch of colors. I'm more in a natural space, but I wanted to try something a little different for you guys. So yeah, so I'm taking the lightest green shade in this palette, and I am basically putting that all over my lid. Just getting it to be like a nice, clean, flat base for the brighter green that I'm going to go into in just a second. And I know that this does not really look green, guys. It looks as blue as the ocean blue on my shirt, but I promise you it's that light green color. And I wanted it darker, so I went into the darker green color in this palette, and I'm basically going just below that on my crease line to really just bring that out, deepen the crease, really get it to be as green as I possibly can. I think this palette really could have done a better job as far as pigmentation is concerned, because I was not getting that even with basing my eyelid with a concealer and then basing it again. This green color kind of came out well, but I was really hoping to get that, neon light green color, which I didn't get from this, but it's okay. I think at the end, the look still worked out really well. So now I'm going to go in with the blue color in this palette, and I'm basically going to put this in the center of my eye. Honestly, I didn't like it in the center of my eye, so you'll see that I'll actually end up changing that and kind of making it more of just a transition color. But I was actually surprised with this blue that it came out so bright over top of the green color that I had just put on, and it was giving me, very aquamarine, kind of vibe. So I enjoyed it. And this is what it came back with. I had to go off camera because someone called me. But as you can see, I ended up putting like the grayish black color on my outer corners and just blending that in. And now I am just taking my NYX liner in Midnight Black and lining my eyes. And guys, it is super hard to like line my eyes with that little mirror. Like, I need a big mirror. So anyway, yeah, I'm taking that and I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out. Now, at this point in the video, I had decided that it was better to put in some glitter. And I did go ahead and put my lashes on off camera. I put some glitter on there as well. I use an NYX glitter. It's the Aqua Prime glitter. And I'm going in with my MAC primer and my color corrector from Studio Pro. And I'm just gonna blend that in or blend that out or whatever and just cover up all my dark spots, y'all. I know we're in quarantine and I really should be asleep, but I'm not. So I am literally trying my damnedest to cover up all of the imperfections. And I'm gonna take my Maybelline's matte poreless in the color 360, as you can see, and my blending brush there, and I'm just gonna blend out my foundation. And if you haven't done so already, I don't know what it is that you're waiting for. While I'm blending out my flawless foundation, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that way you guys are always notified of every single time I post a video. So yeah, go ahead and do it. I'll wait while you're doing it. Thanks. All right, so back to this. What I just saw me do there basically was I took my matte setting powder and I just pressed that into my face, and now I'm taking my Studio Pro concealer. It's from BH Cosmetics, guys. If I can find the link for it, I'll link it. Last time I looked, like 2 days ago, they were out of stock, but it's from BH Cosmetics. It's Studio Pro, and it's their #117. That's the color. It's like a bronzy, cute, adorable. I love it. BH Cosmetics is like one of my favorites right now, guys. I don't know what, until I find another one, these really work for me, so I'm gonna keep using them. So I'm taking my blending brush there, and I am just blending out my contour there, and I'm taking that same BH Cosmetics contour kit and pressing that into my face and just really highlighting that highlight, getting my Cupid's bow, my forehead. It's gonna be bomb, okay? And now I'm gonna go in to complete my contour. And remember, you guys, you don't want your face droopy, so you wanna get it right there, right above your cheekbone. Get it, I go all the way into my hairline, so go all the way up there and really get your face to elongate. You do not wanna round out your face to the point where you just look like a blowfish. It's not cute. So yes, now I'm gonna do the other side, get into that hairline, y'all. Squeeze your cheeks like me if you have to, but you see that instant facelift I just got? Like, getting old where? So yeah, go across your forehead. You want to make sure to go across your chin too. You'll see that. Remember that number 3 method? If you just make a 3 with your fingers and then slap it up against your face, that typically gives you the right place to put your contour, your bronzer, and just to kind of really give you that facelift. Now, I typically don't contour my nose, but for the purpose of this look, I'm going to contour it just a little bit. I think I have a pretty cute little nose. I don't really think it needs to look or have the illusion of looking smaller, so I just kind of do it just to kind of break up that highlight that I put in there initially. And I'm going back in that same palette there and just sharpening my contour because I want a nice, you know, beat mug, y'all. Like, y'all gotta beat this mug. I know we're at the house, and I know I look crazy probably right now with my bonnet on and everything, but I still wake up in the morning, like I said, and do my makeup as a purpose of just, you know, keeping a routine, also shooting these videos for you guys. And I want to know what you guys are doing. Like, are you in the house doing your makeup, or are you sitting around in your robe with your hair not done and brush your teeth in days? Like, comment below and let me know what you guys are doing to stay on routine. All right, so now I'm putting my blush on. I put a little too much, so I'm just going back over with my finishing powder to just kind of clean that up. And I'm taking the highlight in that same palette as well and just putting a little bit on the apples and underneath my eye. My Urban Decay setting spray all-nighter. It's literally one of my favorites, and I have no complaints about it because it literally lasts all day. They do have an oil control one, which I just couldn't find because I do get really oily in my T-zone. So I should have used that one, but I didn't. Oh well. So now I'm taking the same colors I used for my eyeshadow, and I'm just bringing it down underneath my eye. It looks like I'm using a lot because I probably was, but I will go back and clean that up a little bit later just by making it, you know, more on the waterline as opposed to under my eyelids, as you can see here. And I'm just going in with some mascara. I believe that's also from BH Cosmetics. Y'all, I really love them. I will link their website below because they're awesome. And I'm just cleaning that up. And now I am doing my lips. Now that is my chestnut MAC lip lining pencil. It's my favorite. I use it for pretty much everything. It's just awesome sauce. I love it. And I'm lining my lips. I overlined a little bit, but that's probably not a good look for me, you know, looking at it now. But yeah, I overlined it just to kind of do something a little different. And then I'm taking my NYX lipstick there. It's their matte lipstick. And this is what it looks like. This is what it came out with. I really, 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 really love this look. And for somebody who doesn't do colors that often, I am serving in this look, y'all. If you guys want to know about this hair, this is the Love Me hair that I shot in my last hair review. I just threw it on my head, as you can see, but it's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this look, go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel so you can be a part of my family, y'all. I cannot wait to share more videos with you guys. Comment below to let me know what videos you would like to see, and let me know if you tried out this look, and take a pic and put it in the comment section as well. Once again, always, thank you guys again for watching my videos, and be glamorous, y'all. Bye.